Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and today's video is all about must-have tops. Now let's just assume कि मेरी पूरी wardrobe खाली है, उसमें एक भी कपड़ा नहीं है and I just have to build it from scratch and build my very own capsule wardrobe. Then these are all the pieces that I would collect one by one. Like these are all the tops basically that I would start with because my wardrobe is nothing without all of these pieces right here. Now according to me, all of these tops are enough because I can literally build like 100 different outfits using all of these tops. So let's just start the video. First up we have a white tank top. I don't have to say a lot about this because it's quite self-explanatory why you need like a basic white tank top. You can style it with a shirt, a jeans, a denim skirt, skirts in general, shorts, and so many different ways. Like it goes with literally everything. So make sure if you're getting a white tank top, it's good quality, it's not see-through, and it fits you perfectly because fitting is very important. It can make or break your look. So don't shy away from investing your money when it comes to basic pieces like these. The next one we have is a black tank top. Obviously, I mean, it's a no-brainer. A black tank top again goes with so many different things. You can pair it with like a printed pants, printed skirts, all of those, loud textures in your wardrobe because this really tones down everything, and you can layer it up with like a denim jacket or a bomber jacket or a shirt or anything for that matter. A black tank top, good quality. This one is from H&M and I really like how it fits me, how it looks on me. Great buy. Next we have another tank top in a brighter color. Like I personally prefer colors like yellow, pink, blue because I think it suits my skin tone the best. So you can get any color that suits you the best according to you, but I think a colorful tank top is so underrated because we always stick to basics like black, white, nude, all of that, but a colorful piece like this one can really elevate your look without much effort. You can mix and match or play with colors. It will just elevate any basic piece in your wardrobe like a white skirt or a black skirt. A colorful tank top is a must. Next we have something in beige. Now beige as a color I think suits all Indian skin tones and it looks so beautiful. Something in beige you should have in your wardrobe because it literally goes with your blacks, your whites, your blues, or anything random that you have in your wardrobe. And if you want to experiment with something and you're not sure कि इसके ऊपर क्या अच्छा लगेगा, then definitely go with like a beige top. It will look nice. So I have got this one with like a little cutout detailing because it just gives like an edgy look. I got this from H&M, but you can go with like a simple beige tank top as well. As a color, I think beige is very versatile, so you should definitely own one piece in beige or any neutral color for that matter. Next we have another no-brainer. We have a black full sleeve top and a white full sleeve top. Now these are great for like a little colder weather conditions I feel like, or especially like if you're going on a holiday or something, then they really come in handy. But for Mumbai like weather, I think something with thinner material works really well. This one I got from H&M a long time back, but this has been a staple in my wardrobe. I've worn it so many times in so many different ways on all my holidays, and I really love this particular top because it's so versatile. And the other one in black, this one I got from Zara, and again this I got like 3 years back. Nothing has happened to the quality because the quality is so good. Like it has not even faded. It's very comfortable. It's great for like running errands or when you want to put together an outfit. You need such basic pieces because you can play so much more with them. Like you can layer it up again with using jackets or using a scarf or something of that sort. Like there's a lot of room for you to play around. That's why a basic black full sleeve top is a must. Next, I would recommend something in stripes. That is because it creates a statement in itself. अगर मैंने एक simple stripe t-shirt पहनी है with like a simple pair of denims and shoes, तो भी मेरा आउटफिट काफ़ी ऐसा लगेगा कि ओके आई हैव पुट अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट इनटू इट और आई हैव पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट इनटू इट. बट जबकि मैंने सिर्फ एक टॉप पहना है जीन्स के साथ में, लाइक नो एफर्ट व्हाटसोएवर. सो आई थिंक स्ट्राइप्स इन जनरल इज़ अ वेरी सेफ प्रिंट. इट लुक्स गुड ऑन एवरीबडी and a black and white stripe like classic है, so you don't really have to worry about कि इसको मैं किसके साथ pair करूँ, इसको ये किसके साथ अच्छा लगेगा. So yes, something stripes in casual, you should definitely get one. Next, we all need a piece which is kind of fancy and great for like family gatherings and family outings. I have this top which I really love because of the color and this little detailing at the bottom. Like it has something going on, but it just stands out because of the color. It's great for when you want to dress fancy but still like keep it modest. So yeah, for such occasions I would really recommend like a nice color, nice pattern, something that makes you feel comfortable. It's very important to have such piece for sure, like minimum. Next, I have my favorite piece from everything that I've shown you, and if you know me, you know what I'm going to like show you next. So it's my classic white shirt. It is a white shirt that fits me perfectly, that looks great, that is great quality. It just helps me put together a look whenever I'm confused, whenever I don't know what to wear. I just put on a white shirt and it just solves everything for me. If you don't have this, what are you even doing? Like, it goes for girls and boys, both of you. So yeah, I think a good quality white shirt is a non-negotiable. Since we are talking about shirts, I feel like a classic striped shirt is a must because it just makes every look edgy and chic, because stripes are a statement in themselves, as I said before. I think a classic blue-white striped shirt would be a good way to start your capsule wardrobe, because again, this is very versatile. You can layer it on so many of your tank tops, or you can just wear it with like denims and skirts and shorts, and there's so many different ways to wear it. Like abhi mere dimag mein itne sare outfits aa rahe. Good quality, well fitted striped shirt is a must, and blue and white is just a safer option. You can go with any color that you like. The next piece is for the party animal in you. I got this really basic but glittery top from H&M. It's black in color, that makes it basic and versatile, but it has glitter all over it, so it's very shiny. And if you want to make a statement, or if you're going for a party or a night out or clubbing or dancing or any of those things, then I think this would be a good choice. It goes with pretty much everything. It fits me well, and it's full sleeved, but it looks very chic and put together. I think a good party wear top, anything that suits your personal style, you should definitely own one at least. Last but not the least, we have a graphic t-shirt. Now, this is great for days when you don't feel like dressing up or putting in any effort to kind of look nice or look put together. Just put this on with like your favorite pair of denims, you know, carry a good bag, good shoes, and you're good to go. I got this one from the Soul Store. They have pretty good collection, so you can check them out for t-shirts and stuff. And that's it for this video. I kept it very short, crisp, and to the point because मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं मेरे पास बोलने के लिए. It was pretty self-explanatory honestly, but I hope that this video gave you an idea where to start building your capsule wardrobe. I'll try to leave all the links in the description box below, so do check it out. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, all of the good things, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!